Are you a smoker? Then please watch this. These foods will help remove all your toxins from the lungs. There are a few foods that can really help you cleanse your lungs of the tar and toxins that clog it and choke you up every day. Number 1. Water. Water plays a huge role in health, and it is the base of any cleansing action. Pure clean water is essential to keeping blood flowing to and from the lungs. It also keeps our lungs hydrated and the mucus flowing. It may sound disgusting to you, but that mucus is important and needs to be the right consistency, help trap and keep toxins, microbes, and pollutants out from your lungs. Number 2. Pomegranates. Pomegranate seeds or juice can slow the growth of lung tumors. Pomegranates contain many antioxidants including ellagic acid, which is gaining strides in cancer research. Number 3. Grapefruit. Naringin, a flavonoid in grapefruit, inhibits the activation of a cancer-causing enzyme. White grapefruit contains a high amount of this flavonoid, though pink grapefruit has some too, along with the antioxidant lycopene. Grapefruit is especially good at cleansing the lungs after quitting smoking. Number 4. Garlic. It contains an active substance called capsaicin. This substance is very useful for health. It fights infection and reduces inflammation in lungs. Garlic has antioxidant property also and helps to remove free radicals from lungs and all over the body. This prevents lung cancer. It is also good for asthma patients and those who have any lung infection. Number 5. Beans, seeds, and nuts. All these food items contain rich amounts of magnesium, a mineral that contributes to healthy lung function. They also provide essential fatty acids that are good for the cardiovascular system. Pistachios contain gamma-tocopherol, a type of vitamin E that is believed to reduce risk of lung cancer. Number 6. Foods with vitamin. How to have healthy lungs food? Have fruits rich in vitamin C. It is a powerful antioxidant. It helps lungs to supply oxygen to all over the body that we breathe in. We must have foods rich in vitamin C. Foods rich in vitamin C are all citrus fruits such as orange, lemon, tomato, bell peppers, capsicums, kiwi fruit, strawberries, grapes, pineapple and mango as well. Number 7. Chili peppers. Peppers are filled with capsaicin, the spicy compound that gives them their heat. Capsaicin improves blood flow, stimulates mucous membranes, and fights infection. Number 8. Apples. Flavonoids, vitamin E, and vitamin C, and all help the lungs function at their best. Apples are rich in all of these, and those who eat several a week have healthier lungs. Number 9. Carrots. These roots are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and lycopene, which are all antioxidants that affect lung health and lower the chances of developing lung disease. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more useful videos.